Hello and welcome to the NucleusXR training platform. In today's video, I'll give a brief overview of our general gowning procedure that we have set up for manufacturing and laboratory-like environments, walk you through the virtual reality stage as well as the web-based portal, and how all of the steps and activities connect together in real time so they're fully synchronized. Let's dive right in. So right now we've selected inside of the module and we can see multiple activities that are associated with gowning. So the gowning procedure, degowning procedure, as well as regowning and maintenance. For now, let's go into the gowning procedure where we can view the steps that are associated with this procedure. And these steps will have to be completed within the virtual reality space through which the portal will then update to reflect the progress that the user has made in their training. So let's hop into VR and see what these steps look like. Welcome to the general gowning procedure. In this module, you'll practice a simplified cleanroom style prep flow. Before we begin, hand washing is required, so approach the sink to start. Press the open faucet button to start the water. When you're finished washing, press close faucet to stop the water. Nice work, hands are washed. Now follow the floor guide to the sanitation station in the next room. Let's pause for a moment to cover the two guidance methods that we've seen so far. One of them being the watch pose menu, which you can see on the screen now. This is accessed by turning your left wrist towards you like you would check a watch, and it'll show the current active step as well as the following step in the sequence for this particular procedure. The second form of guidance you've been hearing throughout the video is voice narration. Steps on our platform can be configured to have audio clips associated with them to guide the player as well as provide encouragement, hints, and anything else required to complete the current objective. Now that we've completed step 1, let's head back to the portal to check out our progress. As we can see here, step 1 was successfully completed and updated in real time, so the portal is always reflecting the live state of our virtual reality environment. You're required to sanitize your hands after entering a room. Press the dispenser button to apply sanitizer. Next, head to the safety gear table. Follow the floor guide and step into the highlighted zone. Start with the safety glasses. Grab the glasses and bring them toward your face to put them on. After wearing each piece of gear, you'll notice the avatar behind you change to reflect the gear you've worn. Next, we'll need to put on the hair cover. Grab it and pull it toward your head until it fits in place. Checking in on the portal, we can see that steps 1 through 3 have been completed alongside the VR environment. Next, put on the gloves. Grab the gloves and bring them toward you to wear them. Turn around and head to the equipment rack where you'll find more gear to wear. Find the face mask and put it on. Put on the shoe covers to complete the gowning procedure. With all steps complete, we can see the avatar is wearing all the gear that we put on and some basic metrics on the result card after we've completed the scenario. Let's hop back onto the Nucleus portal and view our progress. Here we can see that all relevant steps for the gowning procedure were completed on the portal side. If we head back to the module view, the course activity is complete for gowning and the training progress has updated to reflect that. From here, the user can then proceed to the next activity in a given module to continue on with their training as needed.